Meaning of dogie.
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 Dogie. Dogie is a term used to refer to a motherless or orphan calf, especially in the American West. The word can also be spelled as doggy. These calves may have lost their mothers due to various reasons such as accidents, illness, or human intervention. When a calf becomes a dogie, it becomes vulnerable and requires extra care and attention from ranchers or caretakers. Dogies can struggle to survive without their mothers and are often given special care and feeding to help them grow healthy and strong.